What really ticks me off is the fact that I could die for my country in the war, but I can't go get something out of the vending machines at school.
Man, I'm hungry. What time is it? 30 minutes till lunch? Man, that's whack. Time for a honey bun.
Hey, Mr. Garrity.
Hey, Whitney.
Would it be okay if I went to the restroom?
Do you really have to go?
Really bad.
Really bad. Well, no, you can go. I have to sign your agenda, but whatever you do, be sure don't go by those vending machines. That'll get you in trouble.
Oh, I won't go to the vending machines.
Okay.
Time for a honey bun.